Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to add applications to your desktop on your Mac. It's actually a really simple process. First, we need to find the applications that are currently installed on your Mac. To do this, go to your Finder. You'll usually find it in your dock. Once you're in Finder, look for Applications in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your Mac. Now, if you don't see applications in the sidebar, don't worry. It's easy to add. Click on Finder in the top left-hand corner of your screen, then click on Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Finder Settings window, select the Sidebar tab. In this menu, make sure that Applications is checked. This will add it to your Finder sidebar. After you've done that, you can close the Finder Settings window. Okay, back in the Applications list. Now, find the application you want to add to your desktop. For this example, I'm going to be adding the PCSX2 application. So, I click to select it. Then, simply drag and drop the application icon from the Finder window onto your desktop. Let go, and you should see the application icon appear on your desktop. Once you've done this, you can close the Finder. And there you have it. The application is now on your desktop. You can double-click it to open the application and start using it just like you normally would. And that's it. That is how you add applications to your desktop on your Mac. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.